Hello and welcome. Today we will be discussing TOA's IR-800 Voicelift system, which enhances the learning of children in schools. My name is Warren and I am the Regional Sales Manager for Alberta, BC and the Northern Territories at TOA Canada, and thank you for joining me today. TOA's educational classroom system brings classrooms to life by providing clear, interference-free transmission through wireless technology. I will go a little more in depth about our TOA classroom system and the key features and benefits. The IR-800KIT works with a built-in infrared wireless system. It uses a minimal amount of system components, only a tuner, up to 2 microphones, and an integrated speaker is needed. The system provides uniform classroom-wide sound quality with a single ceiling-mounted wide dispersion speaker. Quick, easy installation requiring just one Cat5 cable, a selection of 3 TOA lightweight, low-fatigue IR wireless microphones, hands-free or handheld. The system is expandable with optional interface units for external device control and paging operations, and it has 3 line-level inputs for things like computers, DVDs, or mobile devices. We all care about what our children are learning, but we don't give much thought to how our children are learning. The wide dispersion speaker provides ample 30 by 30 foot coverage, transmitting teachers' and students' normal speaking voices to everyone in the room, from front to back, with equal clarity and TOA's renowned superior sound quality. The resulting easy interactive communication stimulates students and improves their understanding of course content. The system has an ALD or assistive listening device output to help those children who have hearing loss issues and keeps the child more involved. TOA's infrared wireless system is also approved by ERAC, which is the Educational Resource Acquisition Consortium. The IR kit is offered in a few different packages depending on the end user's conditions and preferences. Not exactly sure what you need? Contact our team who will be glad to help you with an examination of the application and recommendation. For more information on this product and other TOA products, visit our website at toacanada.com.